Here's another look at the newly refurbished fountains outside Caesar's Palace. Iconic. Everybody says their stuff is iconic, but Caesar's Palace actually is. Same with its fountains. And they went down they drained the water, they did some repairs and spruced them up, got some new, what do you call it, faucets, water blasters, squirters. They got some squirters, and that's how it looks now. What cinematography? Coins generously donated go to the University Medical Center traumatic burn center thing. That's a Las Vegas place. Anyway, the fountains look great. It's like the Caesar's fountains, but on Viagra, because they did not go that high before. And the girth is substantially greater as well. Well, it's very important for maximum effect when you're trying to impress people. Allegedly.